Today in this video I'm gonna explain how to reset Oppo A54 5G. Begin by switching off your smartphone. Press and hold the power key for a few seconds until the device powers down. Once the phone is off, simultaneously press and hold the volume down and power buttons for a couple of seconds. Release all held keys when the recovery mode menu appears on the screen. From the recovery mode menu, choose the language option. Select English. Next, navigate to the option labeled Wipe Data and enter the verification code if prompted. After selecting Wipe Data, proceed to the Format Data option. Confirm the action by selecting Format. Wait for a few seconds for the formatting process to complete. Then touch the OK button when prompted. Finally, tap on Reboot followed by OK to restart your device. Once the restart is complete, your phone will be restored to its factory settings as it was when you first purchased it. Follow the on screen instructions that appear to set up your device. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.